Okay, we're gonna listen to Blake because he's being fussy and doing the cute little noise with the pacifier. He loves to make noises. Here's Sable and Blake. Hey girl. Hi. Hey pretty girl. She's like, okay. That's a beanbag that he's in. He's in there really good too, so y'all don't gotta worry about him falling out. See? He's in there really good. Well, and then we got a big dog in the way. Because I came on the floor, she wants to play. Blake, make your noise. Make your noises, come on. Hold on, Sable. See? Hi, everybody. Okay. Come on, make the cute little noise. Come on. He'll start going, eum, 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 with the pacifier in his mouth. He was just doing it. Come on. I don't think he wants to. Show everybody your cute little outfit. Oh, it's one of those long button-up ones. It's fire trucks. Get closer. See? Fire trucks. And my beautiful little baby. Huh. My beautiful baby. And we just clipped his nails today, so he can't scratch himself anymore. At least until they grow back, and then I'll clip them again. Which I've gotten really good at that, and I'm not scared to anymore. But, yeah. Oh, there he went, he grunted. He has some stinky diapers. Oh my gosh, they go like bad stinky. Ooh. Oh, little man, you make some stinky ones. Here, let's see if he makes the noise. Oh, look at his little face. Oh, he's smiling for you guys. Okay, watch, he's gonna make noise. Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There he goes. Oh, maybe not. Oh, he just ate 8 ounces and pooped twice, so. Wait, you heard him? Hold on, he'll do it again. There you go. Come on. Come on, make the noise. Come on. Oh, it's really cute. I want everybody to hear. Come on. He's like, Mom, leave me alone. Oh, baby, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You gonna make the silly noise? Silly noise? Huh? Come on. Alright, everybody. We will record more later. He doesn't want to make his noise. Oh, maybe that's it. Okay, we'll see y'all later.